Go.
Now we have the resistors set up in parallel. I have three different resistors, a 47 ohm, a 100 ohm, and a 560 ohm. These two are roughly double the resistance. 47 is the closest they make. They don't make a 50 ohm resistor. And these are only good within 5% anyway. Why did I choose a much larger resistor? Because I wanted there to prove that still some current is getting through a larger resistor. Now you may think that 560 ohms is a lot. It's not really. We have 2 mega ohm resistors, but in comparison to what we've used in the lab so far, that seems like a lot. Now this one up here is the total current. Notice here's my battery again. It goes through here in series, as all ammeters should be. Then it splits from this point. This would be known as a junction where it splits. Then it goes through all three of the resistors in parallel. Then it goes through each individual ammeter and then goes back to the battery. Now I can't turn this up as high as I'd like it to. It turns out that that 47 ohm resistor is small enough that the total current will actually go over the 200 milliamp limit. Could damage it, but it's not be enough. It'll just go off scale and show a 1. So let's go ahead and turn on everything to 200 milliamps. And if you can see up here, we have 144 milliamps. Down here we have 8 milliamps, 45 milliamps, and 91. So let's just do a quick calculation. 91 plus 45, 135. So 140 something, 146. Are they exactly perfect? No, but within tolerances. Now notice if I look down here, if I up the current, or up the voltage, they all go up. That just went off scale. Okay? If I go down, they all go down. If I remove one of them from, watch this one over here, I'm going to remove a wire. It just went down to 0. And the other two, if we'll focus over on these two, so I'm going to put this wire back in, and notice there's very little change. Now some of you may say, why is there any change at all? Well, the power supply is trying to put out a particular amount of volts. But when the current changes, it can't keep up. So that's the difference between EMF and terminal voltage. As the current goes up, the actual voltage goes down. Thank you very much.